Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Reverend with your boy Mickey Mac. Today, I'm going to be going over my top 3 favorite men's fragrances. Let's jump right into it. Coming in at number 3, I got this black bottle, which is Creed Green Irish Tweed. And a very nice, slick, black looking bottle. Comes with a gold cap, even though it's plastic, has a really nice design on it. I love the overall feel of the actual bottle. Feels very high quality. I mean, after all, it is Creed. It is an amazing fragrance and definitely up there as a lot of people's favorites. Now, this is my very first Creed fragrance. I actually got this as a bundle deal at Costco when it was available, usually around the holidays. Yes, I know, Costco, of course. Mickey, what else about Costco? I know. Mention Costco a lot because that's just where I primarily shop. Thank you. I found a great deal on the Creed Green Irish Tweed. I believe I paid around $315 for this. This is a 100 milliliter bottle, 3.33 fluid ounces. I remember one of my Costco crazy friends, they actually had the Green Irish Tweed and they let me sample it. It reminded me exactly of Cool Water by Davidoff. I remember I used to get that for Christmas and my birthday every year when I was a kid, and around that time that was probably my favorite fragrance. My Costco crazy friend said, yo, if you love Cool Water by Davidoff, you'll love Green Irish Tweed. It's definitely an upgraded version, and guess what? He wasn't wrong. That's why this is in my top 3, coming in at number 3. Coming in at number 2, now, this was a very hard decision to make for the top 2. I know a lot of people that are going to disagree with me with this one, but I'm going to be honest, this is my top 3, so coming in at number 2, I have Creed Aventus. You can't talk about Creed without mentioning Aventus. This bottle right here, got it on Costco, once again, for around the same price, $300, $315, $320. As you can see, I used half the bottle of this already, but, half the bottle's, obviously clear, transparent, you can see right through it, and it obviously has this black etching with the more or less Aventus logo on it, which is absolutely classic. The top of the bottle gives you a silver emblem. This is regarded as one of the best men's fragrances of all time, and I could see why. I remember one time I went to the mall and went to this fragrance shop and they had Creed Aventus 2010. Now, I didn't really know much about the older Creed Aventuses, and they had different mixtures of the fragrance, and supposedly even the ones back then, going back 10, 12 years ago, are worth a lot more money. It's like $50 a spray to sample it, and I was like, $50? I'm good on that. I tend not to buy fakes. I will spend more money to get the real thing. I don't care about the older Creed Aventuses, which I'm sure a lot of people are going to be like, well, the older ones are better. I like this one. I'm only looking to spend a few hundred. I prefer to get my colognes new. Don't want anything used. So this is my Creed Aventus, whatever one it is, 2020 or 2021 version. But I absolutely love this fragrance, and it's at number 2. All right, coming in at number 1, I gotta say, this is definitely by personal choice. This is just me. A lot of people are going to disagree with me, and they're going to say, of course. So cliche, so average. To me, it's the truth. I'm talking about Dior Sauvage EDP. This cologne right here is absolutely a game changer. I never wore any cologne like this in my life. I definitely say this is my favorite fragrance I've ever had of all time. It's almost done. I'm not sure if the camera can pick this up, but I'm like about right here, so maybe like, I don't know, a quarter left of the bottle. This is a 200 milliliter bottle. Now, it's double of any of the other Creed bottles that I have. Very well designed bottle. Definitely love the display of it, the color of the actual bottle, how more or less it starts out like really dark blue and then it starts to fade to like light blue, and then you can see more of the bottle and actually see if how much fragrance you have left in the bottle. I gotta say, the cap, unbelievable. Inside of this cap, there's like a little bee emblem. On top, you have CD logo, which is Christian Dior. The cap is actually a magnet. Very satisfying. The best atomizer for sure when it comes to spraying anything. Very smooth, very natural, doesn't even feel like you're pressing down on anything. The scent, very long lasting, one of a kind, and you do not need to apply a lot at all. I see why people hop on this. This fragrance is just a must-have. It's my number one favorite fragrance of all time. I will definitely be buying another bottle of this again in the future. But yeah, guys, I just want to give you a quick top 3 of my favorite men's fragrances. Let me know what you think overall. And yeah, if you guys got any tips or any other fragrances that you could recommend, please let me know down in the comments. Of course, thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And also don't forget to check us out on Instagram, Facebook, Rumble at The Rev Room, of course. And we got videos coming every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. This is your boy Mickey Mac, and I'll see you next time.